In today's video, we'll be sharing this delicious, creamy banana milk recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 3 bananas, 3 cups of milk, 1 cup of condensed milk, 3 cups of ice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a blender, we're going to add our bananas. Add in the condensed milk, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and the milk. We're going to blend this until it's completely smooth. Once blended, we're going to add in the ice, and we're going to blend again until the ice is completely crushed. Now you can pour your milk into a cup. Our refreshing and creamy banana milk is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.